traffic ain't a waste of time. You were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405 since you said I'd missed my last chance. But I know that you've been asking about me.
Rainy day, Kyoto.
Bones, right? Oh, really?
Be careful.
It's really crispy.
If you look at the bottom, it's like really charred type.
Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh, it's like kitchenware, I think. Look, it's like fake bread. Oh, look at this keychain. This keychain is so cute. Oh, we could have gotten a magnet here. These are magnets.
Can we go in? Let's get
We already got a Kyoto magnet.
We got two.
Oh, and these are like little
Those are
crackers.
They're not even Kyoto magnets.
Yeah. No, it says Gyan Kyoto.
Let's go on. They're cute. There's a good.
Oh, these are so adorable. Mr. Donut. Oh my god, claw machine. Oh, they have like a roll cake that you can take out if it's like really fluffy.
We're so full. Looking at eat wagyu after this.
Oh, this has so much fruit on it.
I'm being so healthy.
Does it really jiggle?
Doesn't jiggle. Yeah, let me whack it.
You want some?
That's probably the do.
It's fluffy.
I'm good.
It's really light. Extremely light. I honestly don't taste the matcha.
Yeah, sure. Taste the difference.
Oh, really?
Oh, that's good.
Oh, is it truffle?
Yeah, that's truffle.
Oh.
That's crazy.
Yeah, you have a way better angle here. Go. Oh. Oh,
my
no,
God.
no, no, no.
It's the blue
Oh
flag.
no. Oh my god, that's the ugliest one. We don't even want this.
No, this is exchanges. I'm not sure what this means.
What?
He's go to a shop for exchanges.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Despair.
I told you you shouldn't do this one.
It's so ugly. Why is it so ugly? I want to exchange it. Let's exchange it. It's so ugly.
Stations before arriving at Nagoya. After leaving Nagoya, switch.
Whoa. Is it wooden or plastic?
It's styrofoam. It's not one of the ones that heat up by itself.
Oh, it looks good though. It's like japchae.
Yeah. It has like some fake crab. It's a real crab too. It's like a clam.
Mushroom?
It's like
Abalone?
It's like a scallop.
Oh,
Some tofu skin.
looks good.
Japchae thingy. Yeah, I chose a good one.
Good job.
I actually heated it up by itself though. Pretty cool.
Did they heat it up for you?
That's kind of.
It's probably cold, right?
Yeah, it's cold. There's some that like you go pull something and it heats up.
What do you mean heats up?
Like they heat up by itself, you pull something. There's like a heating pack in them.
Oh, I see what you mean.
So does that have it? Is it cold?
It's good?
Not bad.
I'm gonna open mine now. It's really thick. For the cable card? Do we have enough cash? Well, there's no one here. Do we go down or up? So should we be coming from this way? Huh, not sure. Do you hear all the birds? Kind of spooky here.
Oh, for sure. It's like some haunted area. Oh, it's right there. The cable car.
Oh, it's packed. Oh, it looks like it's not late enough for the lights to turn on yet. Interesting. Oh, they're shiny muscat grapes. The mint crab is good.